How to enable Urkund plagiarism software in Brightspace. Go directly into the course where you want to enable Urkund. Using the nav bar, go to CNM Resources tab. Use the drop-down menu and click on Urkund. It'll take a moment. Here are the current assignments in this course. I've decided that I only want to use the plagiarism software in 2 of my larger writing-heavy assignments, so I will turn on the plagiarism detector. It will ask me if I'm sure if I want to enable the plagiarism detection for this assignment. Yes, I do. Urkund recommends that we also display similarity reports to students upon submission. This promotes transparency. So I'll go ahead and turn that on now as well. It will ask me if I'm sure. I'm sure. So I'll go ahead and enable one other assignment that I want turned on. And I'm done. Anytime you wish to make changes to the plagiarism software, remember to use the CNM Resources tab and go directly into Urkund to make your changes.